Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to update Microsoft Edge to the latest version on your MacBook or Mac desktop. Keeping Edge updated is important because new updates usually bring better performance, improved security, bug fixes, and the latest browser features. So let's get started. First, open up Microsoft Edge on your Mac. Once the browser opens, move to the top left corner of your screen and click on Edge in the menu bar. From the drop-down menu, click on About Microsoft Edge. As soon as you open this page, Edge will automatically start checking for updates. If a new version is available, the browser will begin downloading the update automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments to complete. Once the update has finished downloading, you may see a button asking you to restart the browser. Simply click Restart to complete the update process. And if you see a message saying Microsoft Edge is up to date, that means you're already running the latest version available on your Mac. Keeping Edge updated can help improve browsing speed, enhance your online security, and make sure websites and extensions continue working properly without compatibility issues. So if your browser feels slow, outdated, or certain features aren't working correctly, updating Edge is definitely recommended. And that's basically it. That's how to update Microsoft Edge to the latest version on a MacBook or Mac desktop. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Mac and Tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.